Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add subscribe newsletter in hosting your website builder. So first open your website and edit it. Now here you can add a section on the bottom on or anywhere you want. Now simply click on add section. And here you can go to subscribe form and select a template here. I will select this as an example. And you can edit it by double clicking on it, and then here you have the form name, the email, and the form submissions table. You have fields here. You can edit the buttons, and then the style and animation. You have fade, slide, and scale. Now, second option is add a new section and then add a blank section. Now here click on add element on the left part and click on the subscribe. Here you can have your subscribe form, but it is smaller. So just use anything from this two that you think that is more accurate for your website. It is the same and it is both easy to do. And that's basically it.